Today I'm going to show you guys this VILLEY folding camping square table with the carrying bag. There's really no complicated assembly. I'm going to do everything here right in front of you. There's no tools. Everything kind of snaps and unfolds into place. So this is basically anyone can put this together. The legs are going to extend out and you just lock them in, so it takes maybe a couple minutes tops. The adjustable legs are nice too, because if you're sitting up outside where the ground isn't perfectly even, you can adjust them to where your table is. I like that this is lightweight, but not in a cheap way. You can tell it's aluminum, so it's easy to carry around, but it still feels sturdy once it's set up. It's designed to be portable and compact, which is kind of the whole point of these tables. The size is perfect for a small setup, like holding drinks, snacks, or even using it as like a little prep table for grilling or camping, which is how it's been used for us. We were sent to try out in our daily routines, and this is one of those things that's just convenient. It holds more than you'd expect for a small table. My favorite part, it folds back down and slides into a carrying bag, which makes it super easy to store without taking up a ton of space.